You asked, we delivered. Launching FreeSpeak Icon, your new favorite belt pack. FreeSpeak Icon provides more capability, more control, and more power than any other product on the market. Operating in 1.9 GHz band, 9 buttons supporting 9 channels, master volume control, and 4 dedicated channel volume controls, superior audio quality, optimized for Arcadia and Eclipse HX, flashlight, high brightness color display, rugged design, speaker and mic, and Bluetooth 5.3. Enjoy the familiar ergonomic form factor that outshines other belt pack styles. You're always in control. Go further with a dedicated fiber interface on FreeSpeak IPT, easily deploying your system over wider areas with seamless connectivity. Control your FreeSpeak system more readily through the award-winning line of Clearcom products, and master the most complex wireless deployments with the FreeSpeak CCM tool. FreeSpeak Icon is built to perform. Its rugged, highly durable design is crafted in the US at our Carlsbad factory, ensuring top-notch quality. Take your communications to the next level. Meet the new standard. Visit our website to learn more.